Hey guys, I wanted to celebrate one of the successes of our members. We have a close Facebook group of nearly 200,000 people, and every day I see amazing stories of success, or I meet people who tell me about their success. So today I want to give a special shout out to Candy Martin, and I've got my phone so I can look up. She shared this week 2 non-scale victories that are just fantastic. Now, Candy has been doing keto for 2.5 years, she says, and so it's more of a normal for her. It's not really a new thing. But even after 2.5 years, what I love about Candy is that she's still celebrating that success. And the first thing she said was that she had to get her driver's license updated. And she's always hated the picture. Now, who loves the driver's license picture? But when she got the new picture and she compared it to her old picture, she was absolutely astonished at the change. She said this was like a wow moment for her when she began to realize just how far she'd come. And I think that is awesome, Candy. And then the second thing, and this is so big, she said that she ran a cakewalk at her kids' fall festival. So for 2 hours, she was around all these cakes and pies and snacks, and she said she smelled them and that she was not tempted at all to eat any of it. She said that when she sees all that stuff, all she sees now is the pain, discomfort, poor body image, and disappointment. And I would just say, like, amen to that. I know that feeling so well. So she was able to be around those things at her kids' school. No temptation. She came through it like a champ, and she has a lot to be proud of. Proud of you, Candy. Keep going.